Good afternoon. My name is Sean Tai, and I'm the Director of Medical Affairs at BioTissue. And I hope to present a brief, within 5 minutes, story of how BioTissue continues to innovate through the utilization of birth tissue as a platform technology. So just a brief background of BioTissue. It was actually a private biotech company located in Miami, Florida. They're actually the first company to commercially introduce amniotic tissue in the field of ophthalmology and optometry. And nowadays, we have multiple products to serve multiple patient and physician unmet needs. So amniotic tissue is quite unique. It's known to contain anti-inflammatory, anti-scarring, and promoting growth effects. Obviously, this is beneficial for multiple deficiencies or disorders. When used on the ocular surface for ocular surface disease, it's commonly used as a substrate or a biological bandage to promote the health and growth of ocular surface cells. This is very similar to how a seed develops into a flower. It needs to have that proper nutrients, that soil, to grow into that flower. Without it, the process of a seed growing into a flower or an ocular stem cell growing into an epithelium can be dysfunctional. So knowing the benefits of amniotic tissue, it's obviously important to retain the key structural and biological components of that tissue. BioTissue uses a proprietary cryopreservation process that's been shown to retain those key components, including HGHA PTX3. Other processing methods, such as dehydration, have actually been shown to lose those components, including the anti-inflammatory components innate to that tissue. Hence, not all amniotic tissue products are the same. Our first paper was actually back in 1995, using amniotic tissue for ocular surface reconstruction. That was actually a landmark paper. It's the most cited laboratory investigation and the second overall most cited article in the history of research. Funny enough, though, that paper was rejected 5 times before it was ultimately accepted. It's telling you something that's innovative initially might seem a little bit abstract, but many years later it became mainstream. So this is depicted on the bottom left here is amniograft, our first product that was actually launched. This is commonly utilized in the operating room with fibrin glue or sutured onto the ocular surface for very severe clinical unmet needs, such as Stevens-Johnson syndrome, depicted here. So this is a very debilitating disease with poor prognosis that can lead to some blepharon, conjunctival scarring, and poor visual acuity. However, through application of amniotic tissue, it led to significantly better benefits. And particularly, using this technology within the acute window within the first 2 weeks led to significantly better benefits. With that in mind, we developed this product called ProCara. So this allows application of this technology in the physician's office right when that patient presents. So it's a self-retained cryopreserved amniotic membrane. It's the only FDA-cleared medical device, amniotic tissue, that's used on the ocular surface. So it is commonly used for more moderate to severe ocular surface diseases, such as limbal stem cell deficiency, as depicted here. This patient presents on a Friday, 8 days after the initial injury, getting very close to that acute window of 2 weeks. Application of ProCara led to significant expansion of the limbal stem cells, corneal healing, and restoration of that functional vision. Snapshot of the company, over 1 million applications of this technology, over 40 years of consecutive NIH research, and over 420 publications that support its use. So building on that rich history and the clinical effectiveness and safety, we continue to innovate, focusing on clinical unmet needs. In particular, I want to talk about CAN360 amniograft. This is our latest generational innovative product that we just launched last year. It's been developed to optimize comfort and particularly used in more mild to moderate surface disease. Other benefits of this product is cryopreserved, so it is never dehydrated, retains those key structural and biological components. It is ringless, and it is able to be stored at room temperature. So as I mentioned, it is used in more mild to moderate disease, including neurotrophic keratitis, stage 1, as well as dry eye disease, recalcitrant to topical treatments. And you can see by the number of lives that we've been able to impact with this product over the course of just 1 year continues to grow month over month, while we can continue to serve those patients that are more severe through the application of ProCara. Initial results and studies have been positive. Over 98% of patients have shown improvement with whether corneal signs and staining or symptoms after application of this product for 2 to 3 days, with this conjunction with the collagen shield to affix it to the ocular surface. These results are very similar to our prior studies using ProCara, in which 88% of patients showed a benefit within 2 to 7 days of application of ProCara, providing a lasting benefit for over 3 months. So overall, the benefits of the BioTissue products are that they are cryopreserved, they're reimbursed when medically necessary, and they've been shown to be safe and effective. And we continue to build off of that key data, and we just recently launched a study, TTX03, in which we hope to have this eye drop and present these results next year. Thank you.